Hello, I'm Kate Stichina on InstaForex TV with the fresh Forex news. The complex package of policy tools, which the US Federal Reserve System has now at disposal, means that the labyrinth of the expansionary actions in the end will face the bank with unusual difficulty in the communication sphere. Regulatory bodies deal with necessity to explain the market participants and wider audience the prospects of the monetary policy and interaction of the high-tech set of tools. Earlier, the central bank had an opportunity to explain almost everything what it was doing by virtue of short-term interest rates changes, but now it has to take concerted actions on the different directions, the most part of which were never tested. Economists believe that this will force the FRS to depend on its own statements in a greater degree concerning the policy and other public comments, as on the primary way of actions explaining, which are taken in respect of the monetary policy. Probably everything will not be so good. The FRS has been pointing to the transparency and clear communication as primary advantages of the monetary policy for a long period of time, considering that the markets and central banks are the most efficient when they work together. It was always difficult to achieve such balance. Since the day is coming when the FRS will seriously start to level the large-scale expansionary actions, which were taken in terms of economy for the last 2 years. It will have to control the inflation and expectations of price pressures growth. The FRS has also to guarantee that its exit from the mortgage market will not cause the cost increase of credits. The FRS must do this, meanwhile correcting its balance according to still indefinite means and increasing the short-term interest rates. At that, there are a lot of variants concerning that the FRS can do with interest rate paid on the bank reserves, as well as with non-traditional tools of lending, such as discount window. The starting of the expansionary actions leveling is still coming, and the FRS has already faced with some uncertainty in respect of its policy. Here we take deal with ability of the bank to make everything unclear. The pressure with the help of statements is of course the tested and sure remedy for the central banks. The problem is that only the number of governors and president of the Federal Reserve banks mean that the dissidents can make unclear the major FRS intentions in the sphere of monetary policy. The market participants have already dealt with the same situation, when some FRS leaders demonstrated the wish to increase the interest rates in comparison with the most part of their colleagues. It was Forex News provided to you by InstaForex News team and me, Kate Stichina. Goodbye.